Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment YO22 Excel Chapter 7 Assessment Music. In its project description, he is telling us about you have been hired as an intern to help Ingrid Theobald, the owner of the Ingrid Instrument Rental, evaluate how her business is going by using an Excel workbook. That's a common things you need to do when you are a workbook. He is telling us about your responsibilities and what you need to do in this workbook. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel, download and open file name. Excel Chapter 7 Assessment Music. Your name will automatically added to the start of the file name. So I have already opened this file. That's our file. I will enable editing this one. So that's our first step. Our second step is when worksheet are grouped, what you do on to one worksheet happen to the other worksheet in the group the value through Mills worksheet. So we will go to the our we will press Control and we will select the worksheets. So it's will group. You will just click on the hold your control button on your keyboard and then click on the worksheet which you need to group. That's our In this way we will group. Create a formula in the cell D5 to calculate the total charges for each instrument. So we will go to the cell D5. That is our cell D5. Total charges for each instrument will be number of student multiplied by student per rate per student and press enter. So we have got our result in the cell D5. And what is saying? Copy the formula through cell range D5 to D15. So we will copy this up to D15. Just refresh this one so it will be. Now it's changed. So that's our formula. That's our second step. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Pearson course, Pearson Plus course, Engage course, or if you need help in Excel assignment, Word assignment, PowerPoint assignment, or assess assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video, or just comment on this video. So I will get you soon. Now we will move to our third step. Our third step is with the worksheet still group, format cell C5 to D16 with the accounting number format with the 0 decimal. So we will select C5 to D16. That's our C5 to D16. We will press Ctrl plus 1. We will go to the accounting and make this one as a 0 decimal and press OK. So we have formatted this one as a accounting number format. That's our third step. Our fourth step is entering formula in the group worksheet is very efficient way to simultaneously create a new data in the multiple worksheet and is the same as entering data in the group worksheet. In the cell B16 and D16 with the worksheet still grouped, calculate the total number of students and total charges for the school. So we will go to the cell B16, that is our cell B16. We will select this one and we will go to the upside. In the editing you will select the sum and press enter. So it's now sum. You will copy this formula up to these cells and refresh this formula. So it's now applied, and make this one as a counting number with the 0 decimal, because we copied our formula from the cell B16 and he copied the format also. That's why this thing we need to redo again. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is With the worksheet still grouped, apply the total cell style to the cells B16 to D16. So we will select B16 to D16 and we will go to the cell styles, and here we will apply total cell style. So that's our fifth step. We have total 12 steps of this assignment. I have performed 5 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. I will show you the uh, complete solution of this file, so you will understand what will it look when it's complete solved. That's our file. I will show you. Yes, that's our linked summary worksheet. That's our last step. Set some summary worksheet, Jupyter Mills, like that. Our worksheet look like that when it's completed. So if you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me also. And if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates. Thank you.